Okay, so we're going to PAAO2025.com and we're going to our speaker portal. We have not logged in, it will ask us for our email and then we're going to the portal. In our portal, we're gonna see our profile, our QR that will appear a week before the event, and buttons for sharing our profile on social media. We encourage you to share your participation to attract more participants to the event. So we have here the button to edit our profile. We will click on it and it will take us to a form with our profile. We can select our picture, we can change our first, last name, our specialty, the city we operate from, our country, and a short bio. Also, our LinkedIn link and our webpage. When you finish, just click Update Profile and we'll have it live. Remember to share it on social media so you can attract more participants to the event. When you share it on your social media, people will have the link to your profile and they will see all the talks that you have on the event and all the things about your participation. Thank you.